Hello everyone, as you can see this Lenovo monitor here. Actually it has a problem that this power button sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes even the monitor does not switch on when we connect it to the AC mains. So let's check what's the problem with this. For that, first of all, disconnect it from the mains. Here you see, remove this power cable and the VGA cable as well. Now place the monitor in this way, upside down. So all we need to do is, do not remove these screws or stand, nothing. Just remove these three screws from here. I will show you. One, two, pull it in this way. Keep the stand aside. Remove this screw. Okay. Take a mobile phone disassembling tool. Here you see. Insert it in this way here. Keep the back over side. What I'll do, I'll remove the frame first. Keep the frame with power keys aside. Now let's check it. And now one is working. Okay, brightness is also working. After removing the power switch, there is no malfunction. All the switches are working fine. See, auto image, brightness plus minus. So this switch, it is partially short. So now I have two switches, that is with one is with 4 legs, one is with 2 legs. If you are not getting the 4-leg one, then you can use a 2-leg switch, but see that you will insert it in diagonally, because here you can see these 2 legs are shorted and here these 2 as well, they are common, and the switching will be between from the south to north. So what you need to do is take the switch and insert it in diagonal if you are using a 2-leg switch, and you need to provide proper support at the bottom and solder it. So now as I am having a 4 leg switch, then I need to insert it. We need to fix the switch in this way here. Okay. I do not want the solder lead to sprinkle on the monitor and create some problem. So just take it in this way. See that the switch is pressed completely and it is same height as other switches. If the height is more, then the button will keep pressed, the switch will keep pressed, and if the height is less, then the customer will break the switch, the knob of the button, by pressing it too hard. So now I have soldered it. Just let me clean it a bit. Now let me connect and check. So I should run the system now. Now it should work fine. There shouldn't be any problem. These switches are a little bit hard to press, but I will not replace them because customer does not use them, and if I replace as well, they will keep it idle and again the new switches will go bad. Okay, now I will pack it back. So that first of all, disconnect it. Okay. No. No. Here. No. This one. Okay. This two. Okay, now as you can see, the power button is working fine, the monitor is working good, and these buttons are also working fine. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing your Lenovo monitor that is having a problem with the buttons or switches or that is malfunctioning. Actually this you have already seen, it works sometimes, it was not working sometimes, and when we connected the switches panel to the logic board, then the monitor was switching off and sometimes it was switching on. So hope this is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.